Now I am going to dictate a legal passage at the rate of 120 words per minute based on latest Supreme Court judgment. Let's start. In Concord of India Insurance Company Limited versus Nirmala Devi within bracket 1979 for SCC 365, Justice Krishna Iyer observed as back as in the year 1979 that an explosive escalation of automobile accidents accounts for more deaths than the most deadly diseases, which has become a lethal phenomenon on Indian roads everywhere. Justice Krishna Iyer further observed that automatic reporting of the accident by the police in a statutory pro forma signed by the claimants to the claims tribunal would banish the legal delays in this compassionate jurisdiction. The relevant portion of the judgment is as under: an explosive escalation of automobile accidents accounting for more deaths than the most deadly diseases has become a lethal phenomenon on Indian roads everywhere. The dual impact of this tragic development on our legislatures, courts, and law enforcing agencies is insufficient, with the result that the poor, who are by and large the casualty in most of these cases, suffer loss of life or limb and are deprived of expeditious legal remedies in the shape of reasonably quantified compensation promptly paid, and this even after compulsory motor insurance and nationalization of insurance business para. The facts of these special leave petitions, which we dismiss by this order, raise two serious issues which constrain us to make a speaking order. The first deals with legal rights literacy in the case of automobile accidents and the procedural modalities which secure redressal of grievances. The second relates to the consequences of negligence of counsel, which misleads a litigant into delayed pursuit of his remedy para. Medieval roads with treacherous dangers and total disrepair, explosive increase of heavy vehicles often terribly overloaded and without cautionary signals, reckless drivers crazy with speed and tipsy with spirituous potions, non-enforcement of traffic regulations designed for safety but offering opportunities for systematized corruption and little else, and as a cumulative effect, mounting highway accidents demand a new dimension to the law of torts through no-fault liability and procedural celerity and simplicity in compensation claims cases para. Social justice, the comment of the Constitution, is being violated by the state itself by neglecting road repairs, ignoring deadly overloads, and contesting liability after nationalizing the bulk of bus transport and the whole of general insurance business. The jurisprudence of compensation for motor accidents must develop in the direction of no-fault liability, and the determination of the quantum must be liberal, not niggardly, since the law values life and limb in a free country in generous scales. In the present case, a doctor and his brother riding a motorcycle were hit by a jeep driver and both were killed. The fatal event occurred in November 1971, but the Motor Accident Claims Tribunal delivered judgment 5 years later, awarding sum of rupees 80,000 and rupees 73,500 to the two sets of claimants para. The delay of 5 years in such cases is a terrible commentary on the judicial process, if only no-fault liability automatic reporting by the police who investigate the accident in a statutory pro forma signed by the claimants and over forwarded to the tribunal as in Tamil Nadu, and decentralized empowerment of such tribunals in every district coupled with informal procedures and liberation from court fees and the sophisticated rules of evidence and burden of proof were introduced easy and expensive if the state has the will to help the poor who mostly die in such accidents. Laws delays in this compassionate jurisdiction can be banished. Social justice in action is the measure of the state's constitutional sensitivity. Within bracket, emphasize supplied. Para. India has a dubious distinction of having the highest number of road accidents according to the latest report of Ministry of Road Transport and Highways. 4,49,002 road accidents were reported in 2019, resulting in 1,51,113 deaths and 4,51,361 injuries. That is an average of one road accident every 1.17 minutes, resulting in one death every 3.47 minutes, which is the highest in the world. Road accidents are a human tragedy which involves enormous human suffering, and they impose huge socio-economic costs in terms of untimely deaths, injuries, and loss of potential income. The ramifications of road accidents can be colossal, and its negative impact is felt not only on individuals and their families but also on the economy. Road safety is an important issue of national concern. Para. By the judgment dated 16th December 2019, hereinafter referred to as Rajesh Tyagi 1, this court formulated the claims tribunal agreed procedure for time-bound settlement of motor accident claims within 90 to 120 days, which was implemented with effect from 2nd April 2010 in Delhi. Alone about 21,820 accident cases were filed between 2nd April 2010 to August 2012, out of which the claims tribunals awarded compensation in 10,762 cases within 90 to 120 days by following the claims tribunal agreed procedure. The claims tribunal agreed procedure has revolutionized the motor accident compensation law in as much as the claimants get the compensation within 120 days of the accident without the need of filing a claim petition. Stop. Thank you.